Okay, so as you know, this is our fourth lesson. So we've worked on putting so far.
Yep.
Worked on our wedges and irons. And last week we did, drivers and everything. So how have you gotten to practice much in between these lessons?
I've practiced a little bit. Still having problems getting up and down when I do miss the green
Okay.
from around the green with short wedge chips.
Okay. So this lesson is basically a review of everything we've talked about. So as we go, I want you to tell me things that are working, things that necessarily maybe aren't working. Like you said, getting up and down is still an issue when you do miss the green.
Yeah.
Are you missing them long, short, left, right? Is there any pattern that you're seeing?
Yeah, the pattern is to miss them a little bit long.
Okay.
Some short, but mainly long.
Maybe long. So not a lot of left and right, so that's improvement, right?
Yeah.
So when you first came to me, our first lesson, you were kind of all over the map, especially with the
Left
driver,
and
right?
Yeah.
So what did you say was one of the things positive things you've taken away?
A lot of it's been mental. Picking targets off the tee. Picking a side of the tee box to avoid the trouble.
That's
Staying
good.
away from the trouble.
Yeah.
And then picking side of the tee box to either hit a cut or a fade.
Okay.
Which has helped.
Cool. So we'll start today with, since you said up and down, we'll start today working on some wedges around the green, okay? Okay, so he's walking away, but I'm making him hit 3-wood. He's not thrilled with me. He's going to get the driver. You're not hitting that. So why am I making you hit 3-wood, Dave? Explain to...
Because it's like match
The
play
audience.
scenario.
Yeah.
And I just made 2 birdies in a row.
Yeah, so in theory, if you were 2 down, if you were 1 down, you both probably made birdie on 15, but then you just made it all square.
Right.
And this is no easy tee shot. There's out of bounds left, bunker right, and honestly, we talked about if you hit driver, what's going to happen if you don't hit a great drive?
It'll probably end up on the downslope.
Yeah.
And this is a short par 5 anyways, so you don't really even need driver.
Exactly.
You can reach it with 3 wood and something
During the
else.
Dell match play, the Tour pros actually played as a par 4.
Right.
So if we're at the top of that hill, you still have an iron in, right?
Right.
Okay. So you trust me?
Sort of.
Yeah, let's see it. We're going to play the hole with both balls just to humor him.